Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Data Science AI with Adityavesh. So today in this SQL series of day 5, we are going to cover the alter command, and it's a very important command. If you do not know the alter command, you are missing very important SQL concept because the alter command is going to help you to add a new column to the existing table, to delete the current column if you wanted to, or to modify the current existing column in a particular table. So it's like we are doing modification on our existing table. If you remember that previously we had created an employee table, and after that we inserted some records in the D4, you can go and check out that. So here I'm just using my select command to view the data. Now suppose here I wanted to alter, or I can say I wanted to add a new column, right? Add new column to my existing structure. So I can do that using the alter commands like alter table, and what is your table name is EMP here. And so here you will be writing the column name. Suppose if I wanted to add a designation column, and then after that I have to write the data type of that. Suppose if I initially made it an integer, right? Then I will execute it. Once it is executed, let me see the structure here. So as you can see that this new column has been created. So if I wanted to insert a new record here, so it's simple command I will use in, let me just add, I have to specify the third column as well as, suppose if I say randomly I'm giving this, okay. So as you can see, this is the record which has been added inside now. Now suppose I want to modify this current column, right? So here for modification, like I wanted to modify the existing data type. So I'll be like modify it. So that's it. I have to write this keyword, and designation. I want to say it's a varchar and like 20. That's it. Okay. Now this has been modified. If you see your current date structure, the employee, you will see that it is a varchar. And if you see your output here, it is the output here. But now, and after this, uh, if I insert another record here, like say 105, and name is Kenneth, and here I have to write. Right now, this time I have to pass, like he's from IT department, like that. So this is what I'm executing. Now you'll see that I have added a designation here for Kenneth, which is IT added. But suppose now understand a situation. I wanted to drop this particular column. So I'll be using this same again like alter table, and I'll be saying drop this column. That's it. Okay. So it will drop the structure, and now you will see you will execute this, you will see that it has been deleted. So yeah, guys, this is how we implement the SQL alter command, and it's a very important command. Hopefully you get it now. And please do practice this command, and please let me know in the comment section whether you are able to do it or not. If suppose you need some assistance on different topics of SQL, yes, definitely you can come up with. Do comment in it. I will try to make videos onto that. Okay. So guys, want to tell you that I have begun a SQL series, so where you can learn your SQL from basic to the advanced. So subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video. And it is again a very important topic coming. Thank you guys.